What's up guys, and welcome to part 5 of tutorial series on AWS Audio Analysis. In the previous tutorial we have discussed the problem with the phase 1 architecture diagram and how we can resolve it. Now in this video I am going to introduce part 2 or phase 2 of the architecture diagram. Since we have solved the issue with the transcribe in the previous tutorial, now we can move forward to achieve our goal of audio analysis, that is nothing but the sentimental analysis or the sentiment analysis. So I have come up with the updated architecture diagram as you can see on my screen, correct? So below is the phase 1 architecture diagram, and we will pick up the flow from there. When I say there, it means the S3 bucket, right? So when transcribe file will be dropped in that S3 bucket, it's going to trigger a lambda function, and then we are going to use Amazon comprehend for sentiment analysis, and then we are going to store the output in the S3 bucket as you can see here in the JSON format. Then we are also going to use AWS Glue and Amazon Athena. So basically AWS Glue is used to maintain database catalog, and probably we are going to create or maintain the database table structure. And then Amazon Athena will be used to query the data out of S3, right? So data out of JSON file, right? Using AWS Glue catalog. And then finally we are going to use Amazon QuickSight to have a good visualization of the sentiment analysis, correct? So that's where we are right now, and in the next tutorial we are going to create the resources. So that's it for now. As usual, if you want me to do tutorial on any use case or service, then please leave them below, and I will try my best to come up with the tutorial as soon as possible. And if you have any queries or comments, then please leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.